Air conditioning. The air conditioning is all about modifying the condition of air by controlling two important properties, which are temperature and humidity. So you have an outdoor air which has certain temperature and humidity based on whether it is summer or winter. The outdoor air will be modified as per the given room condition, which could be required to be maintained at certain temperature and humidity. In order to achieve the required room condition, we may follow psychometric processes such as heating, cooling, humidifying, dehumidifying, or combination of any of these processes. As shown in the figure, this room this room air may get recirculated after some time by mixing with fresh air and then condition it again as per the room requirements.